Hi, I'm Tina, and today I'm going to show you a stretch for your primary hip flexor muscle. It's called the iliopsoas. So this muscle attaches to your inner thigh, to the bone in your inner thigh, and comes inside of the pelvis, and then wraps around to your lumbar spine and thoracic spine, lower thoracic spine. And this muscle brings your knee toward your ribs, and it also brings your ribs toward your knee, so it flexes the hip along with other muscles. And this muscle in particular also stabilizes the lower back. It tends to be a culprit of lower back pain and hip issues as well because of the common sitting. We sit a lot, we are driving a lot, we're in this shortened state. That muscle tends to be in a shortened state. So this stretch helps to open it up and relieve it. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down, you're going to come onto your knees or your knee. You're going to come into a low lunge position. My left leg is forward, so you're going to place your hands on whichever leg is forward for you. And then you want to just go lift up through your spine. And then you want to press firmly down through your feet. So really feel the ground beneath you. As you press down, we want a little bit, that can help a little bit of engagement through the deep core and the support around the hips. And it also can open up the front of that right hip to ease that muscle, to lengthen that muscle. So you're pressing firmly down your feet, your tailbone moves down, your pubic bone moves slightly up toward your navel, so you feel some integration through your core. And again, then you're going to lift up through the crown of your head, so your spine is nice and long, and then gently press your hands down and forward onto your thigh. And so you should start to feel a nice lengthening through the front of your leg, the front of your hip. You can stay here for maybe 4 to 5 breaths, and then you can add on to this. So your left hand now will stay on your left thigh, and then you reach your right arm up. So as you reach your right arm up, see if you can lift your right ribs up away from your right pelvis. And then you'll inhale and exhale, come into a side bend, and then a little bit of a rotation. So you're going to turn your chest. So again, you'll inhale to get long and lengthen. You'll come into a side bend, and then turn your chest. So come into a little twist. So you'll feel the different stretches as we target different angles of the muscles over here. And then you can stay here for 5 to 6 breaths. Just stay steady with your breath. Keep your feet firmly pressed down. And then, of course, you'll do that on both sides. So this is a great stretch to do anytime you're feeling tight or you have back pain. It can relieve that as well. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please click like and subscribe to my page and share it with anybody who might be interested. Thank you for joining me.